Hi everyone, hope you're all Tickety-Boo. Now, in today's quick video, what we're going to be doing is comparing the Freewell ND Filters and the Skyreat ND Filters for the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. We'll check out the footage itself, run it side by side so you can make your own comparison tests on it. Plus, at the end of the video, we'll do a quick colour test with the old colour chart on there so you can make your own mind up. But first off, here's today's little joke for you. This one might actually make you groan though. Why does everybody like Frosty the Snowman? Because he's so cool. Sorry. So if you want any more detail on these or a bit more in depth on them, how they fit the drone and things like that, then you can check out the main videos up here. Plus, it'll help you understand why you may need to use ND filters, and more importantly, if it is something you actually need. At the end of the day, these filters will help you get more realistic cinematic footage in bright daylight. But if you're not worried about that, then you probably don't need them with the aperture on this one because it can actually be altered. So they're both made really, really well. And as you can see, they come in this nice little filter case, which is good quality. We're inside there. There is a slight difference on the ratings that you get. So with the Freewell ones, you get ND8s, you get ND16s, 32s and 64s, okay? Plus you get the polarized versions of those, which makes a difference to me anyway, because I fly over a lot of water and things like that. Plus, if you want to get some footage of buildings with lots of glass in it and things like that, it really will help. Or following cars and things like that, because this drone's great with the old tracking on it, isn't it? The other side of it though, the Freewell ones, if you're just interested in the ND filters, they might be the ones for you. With those though, you only get the ND4, the ND8, the 16 and the 32. But on top of that, you will get a circular polarizer, which will be handy for taking photos, or if you're not worried about the frame rate on the videos as well, then you'll have that on there. And there's a filter in there, which to be honest with you, I never very rarely use myself, which is a UV one. But again, it's there as an extra add-on, isn't it? So let's check out the footage now, and then you can compare whether or not there's much difference between them. So what do you think, everyone? Let me know in the comments down below. The colour tests are going to be at the end of this video, so if you decide to buy one of these, there'll be some links down below, but I do not think you'll be disappointed with either of them. Personally, myself, I prefer the Freewell filters, as I said earlier on, because they got the polarised ones in there as well. And I use Freewell filters on all of my drones and my cameras. But if you're still undecided or got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below. Stay safe out there, everyone. Keep smiling. Have fun making stuff. See ya.